Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Erica Andrea. And today I'm going to be doing a black owned designer bag unboxing. I have the box right here. I finally got my hands on a Telfar bag.
Mercy, what you just got in the mail? A Telfeezy, bitch, a Telfeezy, easy but breezy. I do these dirty bum bitches real greasy.
The designer's name is Telfar Clemens, and he is from Queens, New York, if I'm not mistaken, which is my hometown, so you feel me, Queens get the money. Telfar, this brand got really popular over quarantine and with all of the social injustices and everything that was going on in the world. Black people were like, you know what, we give so much money to all these big designer brands and places that aren't owned by black people. Like, we really need to put our money where our mouth is, spend money with black businesses, because black businesses are the ones that need it the most. So they actually became one of the brands that people were like recommending, like, oh, where can I get a black owned designer purse, where can I get a black owned this and that. People were tagging Telfar and they got really popular, and things just kind of spiraled from there. I will have some stuff on the screen. People were on Twitter going crazy trying to get these bags. They would sell out in like a minute. They got so popular to the point where they would schedule a release and people would buy up the bags, like 10-20 bags, and be trying to resell them on StockX for like $400-$500. And you know, once the resellers get involved into something, that's when you know you got something good. And once that happened, Telfar went ahead and, you know, made some steps to kind of stop the bots and the accounts that are reselling their bags, because their whole motto is that they want this bag to be for everyone, which is why the price point is the way it is. And make sure you guys stay tuned to the whole video, because after I do the unboxing, I will be featuring a couple other black owned businesses that you guys should check out. So this video is going to be a good one. Let's get right into it. And this is honestly one of the colors that I don't see a lot of people with, so let's go ahead and open this baby up. This is the box that it came in, and it opens like this, and dun da da da, comes with the little dust bag. So let's go ahead and open it. Pull it out. So I purchased the small shopper, so this is what it'll come in. It's a pretty small box, and the bag is like a mini size, and that was what I was looking for, because I'm really into small bags right now, and I know I'm gonna grow out of it, but I feel like when you go out, you don't want to carry like a big gigantic bag. Like, I normally carry my Speedy, and the Speedy 30 is like huge. I wanted a smaller bag that I can just throw on, so I didn't get the medium size. This is the small size. This is what the small size looks like. The duster, really nice. And we're gonna go ahead and reveal the bag now. Ta-da! So as you guys can see, I got the cobalt blue color, and this is really pretty. It's even prettier than it looked online, honestly. So let's just go ahead and take off the excess packaging. There goes the Telfar logo. This is a super duper cute purse, you guys. Wait, I'm just gonna break this. There. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Has the shoulder strap. Oh, I didn't know that the strap was doubled. That's cute. So it's a double shoulder strap, which makes it a little bit more sturdy. This is what the bag looks like up close. It is a really pretty blue color. It's called cobalt blue. It has like a kind of metallic kind of vibe to it, so it's a little bit shiny, and I love that about it. This bag retails for $150, and like I said, this is the small shopper. This is the smallest size that they have, and I think with shipping and everything, my total came to $162 or something like that. So this is what the inside of the bag looks like. The inside of the bag looks like this. You have the logo. It has a decent amount of space, honestly, for it to be a really small bag. There is no zipper in this bag, but there is a little pocket here, like a really tiny pocket. Not sure what you could put in there, but yeah, let's see if my iPhone fits. Okay, so the iPhone 11 fits in the bag perfectly, and I have it in the bag horizontally. And if I were to put it in like this, it sticks out of the bag a little bit. So I don't think your phone will fit in this bag if you have like the max size phone. My phone, I think, is 6.1 inches or whatever it is. Maybe if you put it diagonally. But yeah, I don't think you're gonna be able to get your phone in here if you have a phone bigger than the iPhone 11. But yeah, honestly, I don't carry my phone in my purses anyway, so that's not a deal breaker for me. So let's go ahead and see how much stuff I can fit in this bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my phone in. Ding. I'm also gonna put a hand sanitizer. I'm gonna try to put all the essentials that you would need. Hand sanitizer, hand lotion, and your wallet. Your wallet might be smaller than mine, it might be bigger than mine, but this is the size wallet I have and it fits perfectly in here. That is all the stuff that you could fit in this bag. It is filled to the brim, as you guys can see, with all that stuff in there. The sides are kind of poking out just a tiny bit, and this is just what it looks like with all that stuff in it. So technically I do have room for like a lip gloss or a pen or anything else I want to keep in here. And if you're carrying a small bag like this, I wouldn't even recommend carrying a wallet. Like, just take out your ID, your debit card, your credit card, and a little bit of cash and just shove it in here. I have one of those super thin ID card wallets that would fit in here really good. But this is what it looks like with my full-size wallet, hand sanitizer, a cream for your hands, and it fits pretty good. It doesn't button close with this much stuff in it, but I'm gonna take something out. I'm gonna take my wallet out because normally if I was carrying a small bag I would not carry this wallet. So you just align it up and it should snap. There we go. And that is what it looks like. It is so cute. This is the final look of the bag. I'm really happy with it. Super duper cute. The only thing that I wish is that the shoulder straps were like detachable or something, but I heard that some people have just been putting their straps inside of their bag. But honestly, I feel like it takes up so much space. Like, if you just shove the straps inside the purse, you shove them inside like this. Yeah, so you could shove the straps in like this and carry the bag like this, which is also another really cute option. But you can still see the straps, like they're not very well hidden. So that's the only con about this bag for me, is that you can't detach the straps. But it is meant to be a crossbody shopper type of purse, so it doesn't really matter. So yeah, that's everything about this. I really love the color. I love how it looks against my skin. I think this is a really cute gift idea. If you guys are on the market like for something to get somebody for Christmas, make sure you guys sign up for like the email notification from Telfar so that you'll be notified when they're dropping the next colors. They do drop their bags on limited release, so you can't just go to the website, pick a color, and get the bag. They're not doing that. Okay, so they sent an email out a couple days ago saying that they were going to release the cobalt blue color at 9 a.m. on a Monday. I placed my order at 9 o'clock on the dot, and the bag sold out by 9:03, and the shipping was really quick as well. I think my bag shipped out maybe a day and a half ago, and I already have my bag today. I placed my order on Monday, like I said, and today is Wednesday, and I already have my bag. Overall, I really love the bag. I love the color. I love what the brand stands for, and I'm always down to support a Black business, so I am satisfied. So let's move on to the next couple things that I picked up from other Black-owned businesses. The next thing that I picked up are these sunglasses. Now, these are supposed to be like those Dior sunglasses I'll have on the screen. I cannot buy expensive sunglasses. I treat my sunglasses so badly. I lose them all the time. So as much as I would want to buy the Dior sunglasses, girl, I would play myself if I bought those. These are really cute. Let me show you guys what they look like on. These are from Blex Boutique or Blex Boutique. I found out about them on Twitter. She's based in New York, and these sunglasses, child, stop playing with me. These are giving me very much bougie New York scammer vibes. But it's really cute. I actually purchased these because I was thinking about wearing them for a photo shoot. I didn't end up wearing them for the shoot, but I'm gonna have to figure out a look to wear with this. These are like the perfect vacation sunglasses. Even in the winter, honestly, I could see this being pulled off with like a fur coat. Oh, and some long black hair. Stop playing. So yeah, these sunglasses were really cute. I forget exactly how much they were. I think they might have been $20. I'll have the price and the link to where you can get these sunglasses in the description box below. So the next thing that I picked up from Blex Boutique is this super cute workout set. This is the bra top, a super cute purple color, and it came with the matching shorts, and it has the wording on it as well. So these are high-waisted shorts. I really like working out in shorts and bras and just throw a t-shirt on top of it because it just feels the most comfortable for me. It really squeezes me in. These fit me really, really well. I'll have the price and the size in the description box below. The only thing with Blex Boutique is that the shipping takes a little bit long. You really have to pay attention to her website because all of her shipping times are on there. I believe it says it could take up to 20 days, or maybe it says like 10 to 20. I can't remember exactly. The shipping did take a little bit to get to me, but she does have some on-hand items and she has them in a separate section on her website. If you need something to get to you a bit sooner, shop from the on-hand section because those are the things that she has in stock, in inventory, that she doesn't have to order from the vendor and then wait for it to get to you. But I wasn't really too concerned with the shipping time. You know, I was not in a rush to get these sunglasses or that workout set. Like, when it comes, it comes. But if you're in a rush, make sure you shop from the on-hand section. So yeah, definitely check out Blex Boutique. She's a super sweet girl. She was very attentive when I asked her for my tracking numbers and everything. She gave me all the information that I needed, and she was just really sweet, and I love supporting Black-owned boutiques. And the last Black-owned brand that I picked up from is Tier or Tier. I'll have the name and the links, everything in the description box below. And I picked up this hat. This is like their classic hat. I always would see people with these, and at first I didn't know where it was from. I did a little research and I found out that it is another Black-owned brand, also based in New York. So you know, anything that's based in New York, I'm down for it because, you know, New Yorkers gotta rep New York. And this is just what the hat looks like. Super duper cute. I got a little stain on it because I have been wearing it. Please ignore that. Just says Tier. Says Tier NYC. How'd that happen? Like, what even is this? I've been wearing the hat, apparently. And this is just what it looks like. And it's green on the underneath. I would try it on for you guys, but I don't want to mess up my hair. I'll insert some pictures of me wearing the hat. You guys can see what it looks like. This hat was super duper cute. And I used Instagram checkout to purchase this hat. So that was really, really cool. That was my first time shopping on Instagram, like directly from Instagram. And I really enjoyed my experience. The shipping was really, really quick. Really, really bomb stuff. They have also loungewear like hoodies and sweats and things like that, but they do also sell unlimited release, so just keep the eye out on their social media for when they're doing their next drop. And I know they have some really cute stuff coming for the fall, so make sure you guys follow Tier, make sure you guys follow Blex Boutique, and make sure you guys follow Telfar, okay? I really would suggest all of these brands, go ahead and pick them up. I'm obviously going to continue to patron Black businesses, and as I find things that I like, I will be sure to let you guys know about it. All of the information for the things that I unboxed today will be down below. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I think that's everything I wanted to cover in this video. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!